Wara ġimgħat mimlin emozzjonijiet, sfidi u mumenti ta' tensjoni fuq Love Island Games Fiji, il-Maltija Nicola Board War waslet lura f'Malta fejn intlaqat b'tanni u ċabċib minn qrabata u ħbiba. 4 tiem biss qabel il-finali Nicola kellha twaqqaf il-parteċipazzjoni tagħha wara li weġġet rasa waqt logħba bil-ballun bejn il-parteċipanti.
I blacked out completely. Like, all I remember was leaving the villa. Like, I don't even remember the medics talking to me or how I got out of the ring. I don't really remember much. I went to the hospital after, I went twice. But then I was okay.
Għalkemm l-inċident li faċ-ċans li tikkompeti sal-aħħar għall-premju ta' $250,000, Nicola qalet li xorta ħassitha kuntenta.
It was good. I mean, I wasn't upset about it or anything. Like, if that was meant to happen, then it's meant to happen. It's fine. I was just like super happy that so many people loved me, and I'd rather have that love than stay to the final.
L-appoġġ tal-Maltina tas-segwaċi madwar id-dinja ma waqafx.
When I got my phone back and I saw how many people liked me, I was like, no way, this must be someone else, not for me. And everyone who supported me, I just want to support them as well.
Id-direttur eżekuttiv ta' Love Island Malta, Ben Kamel, kien fost dawk li laqgħu Nicola meta waslet lura.
I have never received.
L-applikazzjoni huma miftuħin, ġifieri ħeġġu n-nies biex japplikaw biex forsi xi darbu ma wkoll jista' jkunu fiż-żarbun ta' Nicola, imma nasab qabel xejn nixtieq ngħid prosa kbira lil Nicola għaliex faċli li issa li qed fejla qed ngħidula prosi, imma hi kellha l-kuraġġ biex tmur tagħmel dak li kellha tagħmel u aħna kburin ħafna biha u season 4.
Apply for Love Island Malta because you could be going to the USA. I'm not even joking. It's real.
Fiji bort, biex ikunu xahar.
Oh yeah, yeah.